1. Yufuku. Yufuku, meaning wealthy. Wealthy. Example, Yufuku na hitobito wa America ni sundaimasu. Yufuku na hitobito wa America ni sundaimasu. Meaning wealthy people lives in America. Wealthy people lives in America. 2. Kitachausen. Kitachausen, meaning North Korea. North Korea. Example, Watashi wa Kitachausen ni sundaimasu. Watashi wa Kitachausen ni sundaimasu. Means I live in North Korea. I live in North Korea. 3. Kokkyo. Kokkyo, meaning border. Border. Example, Watashi wa America no kokkyo made ikitaku nai desu. Watashi wa America no kokkyo made ikitaku nai desu. Means I don't want to go to the American border. I don't want to go to the American border. 4. Bow and kyo. Bow and kyo, meaning telescope. Telescope. Example, Watashi wa mainichi bow and kyo de ringoku o mimasu. Watashi wa mainichi bow and kyo de ringoku o mimasu. Means I look at neighboring countries with a telescope every day. I look at neighboring countries with a telescope every day. 5. Jimina biru. Jimina biru, meaning plain building. Plain building. Example, Osaka wa Jimina biru ga takusan arimasu. Osaka wa Jimina biru ga takusan arimasu. Means there are many buildings in Osaka. There are many buildings in Osaka. 6. Sakaime. Sakaime, meaning border. Border. Example, Ano futari kuni no sakaime wa doko desu ka? Ano futari kuni no sakaime wa doko desu ka? Means where is the boundary between those two countries? Where is the boundary between those two countries? 7. Heishi. Heishi, meaning soldier. Soldier. Example, Igirisu no heishi wa totemo tsuyoi desu. Igirisu no heishi wa totemo tsuyoi desu. Means British soldiers are very strong. British soldiers are very strong. 8. Mendokusai. Mendokusai, meaning annoying. Annoying. Example, Ano shigoto wa mendokusai desu. Ano shigoto wa mendokusai desu. Means that job is annoying. That job is annoying. 9. Nani ga okotte mo. Nani ga okotte mo, meaning no matter what happens. No matters what happens. For example, Nani ka okotte mo watashi wa shi nakereba naranai desu. Nani ka okotte mo watashi wa shi nakereba naranai desu. Means I have to do whatever happens. I have to do whatever happens. 10. Kare wa maiasa Nikiro metoru nigemasu. Kare wa mayasa nikiro metoru nigemasu. Example, he runs 2 kilometers every morning. He runs 2 kilometers every morning. 11. Kusai. Kusai. Example, 食べ物はちょっと臭いし。食べ物はちょっと臭いし。Means the food smells a little. The food smells a little. 12. 見た目。見た目。For example, このお寺のお見た目はきれいなんです。このお寺のお見た目はきれいなんです。Means the appearance of this temple is beautiful. The appearance of this temple is beautiful. 13. 世界遺産。世界遺産。Meaning old heritage. Old heritage. For example, エベレストは世界遺産の中にあります。エベレストは世界遺産の中にあります。Means Everest is a old heritage site. Everest is a old heritage site. 14. 仏教。仏教。Example, 日本は仏教があまりいません。日本は仏教があまりいません。Means there is not much Buddhism in Japan. There is not much Buddhism in Japan. 15. 宗教。宗教。For example, 日本人の宗教は何ですか？日本人の宗教は何ですか？ Means, what is the Japanese religion? What is the Japanese religion? 6. 教会。教会。For example, 彼らは教会に行ったんです。彼らは教会に行ったんです。Means, they went to church. They went to church. 17. アルヒ。アルヒ。For example, 私はある日日本へ行きます。私はある日日本へ行きます。Means, I will go to Japan one day. I will go to Japan one day. 18. レオ。レオ。For example, 彼はレオにいました。彼はレオにいました。Means, he was in hostel. He was in hostel. 19. どうしたんですか？どうしたんですか？ Meaning, what happened? What happened? 20. 残念ですね。残念ですね。Meaning, that's a shame. That's a shame. 21. 残念でしたね。残念でしたね。Meaning, that is too bad. That is too bad. 22. 信じていない。信じていない。Meaning, I don't believe. I don't believe. For example, この映画の話は信じていないんです。この映画の話は信じていないんです。Means, I don't believe in the story of this movie. I don't believe in the story of this movie. 23. Isiki sitei nai. Isiki sitei nai. Meaning not conscious. Not conscious. For example, Kanojo wa isiki shite nai desu. Kanojo wa isiki shite nai desu means she is not conscious. She is not conscious. 24. Henna kuni. Henna kuni meaning strange country. Strange country. For example, Afugani Sutan no wa henna kuni desu. Afugani Sutan no wa henna kuni desu means Afghanistan is a strange country. Afghanistan is a strange country. 25. Juken. Juken meaning taking exam. Taking exam. For example, Daigaku juken suru hito ga ooi desu. Daigaku juken suru hito ga ooi desu means many people take university exams. Many people take university exams. 26. Nomikai. Nomikai meaning drinking party. Drinking party. For example, Sakuban nomikai ni itte imashita. Sakuban nomikai ni itte imashita means I went to a drinking party last night. I went to a drinking party last night.